The University of Medicine and Dentistry of New Jersey was a state-run health sciences institution of New Jersey, United States. It had 8 distinct academic units. It formed an academic health sciences center. It awarded 1,459 degrees in 2010 and 2011. On June 28, 2012, the New Jersey State Legislature passed a bill that dissolved the University of Medicine and Dentistry of New Jersey and merged most of its schools, except the School of Osteopathic Medicine, with Rutgers University forming a new Rutgers School of Biomedical and Health Sciences effective July 1, 2013. Members of the Rutgers Board of Governors estimated that the takeover of UMDNJ could elevate Rutgers unregistered trademark status to among the top 25 most elite research universities in America. The Stratford-based School of Osteopathic Medicine, along with its Graduate School of Biomedical Sciences, became part of Rowan University and was renamed the Rowan University School of Osteopathic Medicine. History. The Seton Hall College of Medicine and Dentistry was incorporated on August 6, 1954. The college enrolled its first class in 1956 at the Jersey City Medical Center. This was the forerunner of the New Jersey Medical School, the New Jersey Dental School, and the Graduate School of Biomedical Sciences. In 1965, the college was acquired by the state of New Jersey and renamed the New Jersey College of Medicine and Dentistry. Meanwhile, the Rutgers Medical School opened in 1966 as a 2-year basic science institution offering the Master of Medical Science degree. The College of Medicine and Dentistry of New Jersey was created by legislature in 1970 with the consolidation of the boards of trustees of Rutgers Medical School and New Jersey College of Medicine and Dentistry. In 1981, the CMDNJ was renamed to the University of Medicine and Dentistry of New Jersey. It was the largest school of health sciences of its kind in the United States. It was also the leading research university in New Jersey, edging the other major research universities in the state in federal research grant dollars. It did, however, have various academic partnerships with universities and other institutions in New Jersey. Academics. UMDNJ was made up of 8 schools: New Jersey Medical School Newark, New Jersey Dental School Newark, Graduate School of Biomedical Sciences Newark, Piscataway, and Stratford, School of Health-Related Professions Newark, School of Nursing Newark, School of Public Health New Brunswick, Robert Wood Johnson Medical School Piscataway, School of Osteopathic Medicine Stratford. UMDNJ also operated the University Hospital in Newark, while Robert Wood Johnson University Hospital in New Brunswick, Hackensack University Medical Center and Hackensack and Cooper University Hospital in Camden were affiliates of UMDNJ. UMDNJ also operated a palliative care facility for people living with AIDS. UMDNJ had approximately 7,000 students in more than 100 degree and certificate programs. More than 13,000 employees, including nearly 2,500 faculty members. More than 31,000 alumni and more than 200 education and healthcare affiliates throughout New Jersey. The university was dedicated to pursuing excellence in the education of health professionals and scientists, conducting research, delivering healthcare, and serving the community. The National Science Foundation ranked UMDNJ number 71 out of 630 universities and colleges in terms of R&D expenditures. Notable alumni and faculty: Peter W. Carmel, NJMS Professor of Neurosurgery, past President of the American Medical Association; Philip J. Cohen, author of several books on the former Yugoslavia; Harold Jeggers, NJMS Professor of Medicine and namesake of Peutz-Jeghers syndrome; Marilyn Kozak, RWJMS Professor of Biochemistry, discoverer of the Kozak consensus sequence; Sandra Leiblum, RWJMS Professor of Clinical Psychiatry, first to describe persistent genital arousal disorder; Paul J. Leoy, RWJMS Professor of Occupational and Community Medicine, author of Dust, The Inside Story of Its Role in the September 11 Aftermath; Sidney Pestka, RWJMS Professor of Microbiology and Immunology. Known as the father of interferon for his groundbreaking work developing antiviral treatments for hepatitis B and C; Robert A. Schwartz, NJMS Chairman of Dermatology, co-discoverer of the Schwartz-Burgess syndrome, Arthur C. Upton, RWJMS Clinical Professor of Environmental and Community Medicine, former Director of the National Cancer Institute, Eric F. Weishaus, Nobel Prize-winning biologist and a WJMS Adjunct Professor of Biochemistry. Controversy and scandals. UMDNJ was involved in a series of blunders that include Medicaid overbillings. The criminal complaint filed against the institution charged that healthcare fraud occurred through alleged double billing of Medicaid between May 2001 and November 2004 for physician services in outpatient clinics. A deferred prosecution agreement was filed in federal court in Newark, New Jersey, December 29, 2005 to avoid prosecution. Herbert J. Stern, a former U.S. attorney and federal judge in New Jersey, was appointed as a federal monitor to oversee and enforce compliance in accordance with the deferred prosecution agreement that outlines reform and action to help resolve illegal practices and restore financial integrity and professionalism to the institution. In March 2008, UMDNJ announced that its accreditation by the Middle States Commission on Higher Education had been restored, following the termination of the deferred prosecution agreement. Stern had recommended the return of full responsibility for governance of the institution to the UMDNJ Board of Trustees after implementation of a number of systemic reforms by the board and administration. In Stratford, New Jersey, at the UMDNJ School of Osteopathic Medicine, Warren Wallace, the prior Senior Associate Dean for Academic and Student Affairs, was terminated amid accusations of unethical behavior. Accusations include inappropriate use of UMDNJ time and resources for political activities, efforts to obtain no-bid contracts for friend or neighbor, and inappropriate actions in relation to obtaining admission to the School of Osteopathic Medicine for his daughter. UMDNJ had placed New Jersey Senator Wayne Bryant on a no-show job to increase funding for the school, Bryant being the chairman of the Senate Budget and Appropriations Committee and the legislature's Joint Budget Oversight Committee. Bryant stepped down from this position in February 2007. The case was investigated by former United States Attorney Christopher Christie. Bryant was found guilty of the charges on November 19, 2008 and received a 4-year sentence in federal prison. R. Michael Gallagher, former dean of the School of Osteopathic Medicine, was convicted of bribing Bryant and received an 18-month sentence. See also, Seton Hall University, Montclair State University, Rutgers University, New Jersey Institute of Technology, Keene University, Rowan University, Post-secondary education in New Jersey, List of medical schools, List of pharmacy schools. References. External links, University of Medicine and Dentistry of New Jersey website.